Up, sorry, up. Up. Yeah, thank you. Harsh, if you can see this question, it's a very simple one. But can you
Yeah.
just...
Oh no, I'm sorry. It was this one. Sorry, this is the question.
15?
This one right here. Yep, 15
Okay.
or 16. Yeah, like this. It was like this type of question: the true case and the false case.
Yeah. Can you just show the question? You are showing detail. Yeah. Just
No,
can
I
you all...
got it.
Yeah.
I got it. What's the question?
Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Beck.
Okay. I will do one thing after class. Before 15 minutes below, I will just tell you it is work for you because right now I'm explaining directly on data analysis, so it takes time to understand. If you don't mind.
But this
Okay.
is assignment 1. Harsh, this is assignment 1.
Yeah, this is assignment 1. No issue. So the question is, one second. Okay, Beck, I got it. It's 16 question number.
Yeah.
Okay.
If the strings are balanced, for example, strings S1 and S2 are balanced if all the characters in the S1 are present in S2. The characters position doesn't matter. So there's a given two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, you given S1, S2, and then expected output you are looking for.
Yes, so the
Yeah, go ahead.
actually the statement should be correct or not. You need to check it out. That's the thing. Let me show you. Just give me a second how this will perform in it. But I need just an answer how this will. This is a statement number 1, case number 1, that there is a statement S1 equals to string 1 yn, sorry, and S2 equals to pi native. Then expected output will be true because y and n is under the S1 and S2. Both have yn. Okay,
Okay.
so that's case number 1, which I wanted. Second case is in S1 equals to ynf and S2 pi native. It's very easy. In that you need to verify that in S1 and S2 have ynf or not. Okay, y and n is present but f is not there, so it will be false. That's it. So you need to check it out the statement.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. So basically, this is a question about identified whether the statement is correct or incorrect, right?
exactly.
Okay, but
Like, how would you go about solving the? So I understand we do
Through
the
the
yn, right? We calculate if the yn is in the code. And then for this one, since it's y and f, and this one doesn't have y and f, then this comes out false, right?
We are not calculating, we are just checking out the statements. It is correct or not.
Okay.
S1 there, yeah. So you need to take one strings. In that, you need to take one more string. S1 S1 equals to, or one more check equals to means this sign. One second, let me show you. Through the help of this equals to, you need to check it out whether it is equals to or not. S1 equals to or not. That's the whole thing will going on. It's very easy. At the
Yeah.
end, I will show you.
Are you gonna
Yeah.
use like a if else function or like a elif, something like that?
You can use that also if you don't want. So without that, you can just directly check it out. But if you are using if and else condition, so yes, it is a conditional operator. So you can check it out through conditional operator.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. At the end, I will show you. Don't worry.
Yeah,
thank you,
Beck,
Beck.
if you need, if you need further information, just connect you with me as well.
No,
I'll explain
Sumit,
you.
Okay.
Okay.
let's not talk to me or talk to you here. Let's sort out the problem. I don't want to linger in the problem. So Beck, you're okay? You're
Okay.
good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks, Harsh. Yeah, let's sort it out the issues, Smith. Don't just say talk to me and then we never respond. Okay, I don't want to bring you the problem. Sorry for that. Yeah. Amna, you have question? Go ahead quickly, please.
Okay, you have question. One second.
Good.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
Amna, ask
Harsh.
first.
In assignment 2, you said deep copy of the dictionary. What does mean deep copy?
One second, let me check out. Can you share the screen if you don't mind so
Yes,
that I can read out?
yes.
One second, I am open the folder. It's assignment 2.
Yeah, we never learned about deep copy except
Which one? Looping through nested dictionary, print out name. It's okay. Push, can you tell me question number and case number?
Who's sharing the screen? Amna, you? Good morning, Mudassar.
Yes, I'm
Welcome.
sharing screen.
Yeah. So, what's your question? Can you show the question
This
right
one,
there?
yeah, I'm showing my question. This one,
Okay.
merge dictionary into one deep copy. Create a deep copy of a dictionary using the copy module.
Okay.
This
Thank
one.
you.
First
Okay.
question, then point number 10.
See, so basically, if you're talking about deep copy, so it's a copy from module. Okay. So when you import your file through your module, just like I will show you, but in that, just like if you have a file of index.py, okay, then you create a function name that is function index, and there you create one addition function that is return a plus b. Now you want to import that index function that is known as a deep copy when you are passing that function to another file. Means you are importing that function to another file and you are using exact the same function that is known as deep copy. Got it?
Sorry, I didn't get it. Like,
Okay. I will show you. Just I am noting down what you in between. I will show you whole the process.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
okay,
So,
okay, no problem.
yeah.
Thank you.
Harsh will
Yeah.
explain to you maybe later, Amna.
Okay.
Good concept. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, Amna. Anybody else has a question before we kick off from the previous assignment or from previous topics? Please raise your question right now, and just we can go ahead with the move to the next one. The next topic is really interesting, and Harsh is taking us to next topic to make sure that you are good with the previous one. Anybody have a question? Just give 20-30 seconds. No? All right,
Hello?
good.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
Anwar?
can hear you.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. I'm
go
just
ahead,
testing
Anwar.
my mic. No, I'm just testing my mic.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Welcome. And last week, I think we missed you. You were there, but we can't hear you guys. So the audio was problem. Yeah. Good. Good to go. Harsh, Sumit, please take over. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. So basically, we are moving into data analysis. Okay. I'm taking a second. You can take a brief deep copy as in you are importing module through the another file. That's it. Okay. I will show you.
Amna. No, not Aima. Amna.
Oh, sorry, Amna.
Yeah, Amna asked this question. Aima will be late today, so she's
Okay.
joining.
Okay. Okay. No
Very
issue.
good one.
So today we are going to talk about
Hey,
data
Harsh.
analysis. Yes.
Who's this? Aima, good morning. Aima, thanks for
Yeah,
joining.
Harsh, you can share your screen. I'm not able to
Good morning.
see the screen, Harsh.
Good morning, Aima. Thanks, Sumit, for reminding. Yeah. We were discussing about a couple of assignment questions, so we haven't started yet. So
Okay.
you didn't miss anything yet. Rahman, good morning. Guys, be on time. I noticed that a lot of people, other than Ima, because I'm
Good morning.
yeah, make sure you guys are. Subhan, you are also late today. Please don't late. Okay. Be on time because
I'm sorry
Harsh,
about that.
yeah, no problem. Thank you, Mudassar, for joining. Ali Heather, you have any question, Ali Heather, Aima, Mudassar, or Subhan, before we kick off? The next topic is really interesting.
I got one question. So I seen that you posted the groups and stuff. What is that for?
Okay, just ignore for a while.
Okay.
Back to that one, and we'll let you know later. Yeah. Those are the questions. Any question related to Python and the topic what Harsh is teaching, you can ask. Otherwise, Harsh, please take over. Sorry, it took your 15 minutes here.
Okay, so basically we are talk about data analysis. I don't worry, I will solve your doubt at later. Okay, at the end I will solve all your doubt. But first of all, just diving into the data analysis. Okay, this is our main part. So we need to suppose assume that I have electronics data and I have an electronic shop. Okay, I have a website and I want to know in my company that I in which year I got a best sales and means in which month I got a best sales so that I can analyze and according to that I can start my marketing, start my sales in my electronic shops so that I can I can sell more of my products and I can increase my sales so that I can generate my more revenue. So this is my main purpose. Okay, so this whole my analysis I'm going to do, and before that we need to install this Jupyter notebook. So I will let you know what is Jupyter notebook, but I hope you got it right. I what I want to do with this data. So I have already a data. Okay, I will give it to you. This is my whole data. So in this data, first check it out what kind of data I have. Can you see my Excel sheet?
Yes.
Okay, so it's around above 6 figures of data. Okay, so here I have a rows and columns. In that rows and columns, uh, today I'm doing with CSV and tomorrow also I will do it with CSV. But later on we'll start with SQL because obviously in data analysis SQL is a main thing so that we can just grasp all the data and we can use the data of our analysis so that we can solve the problems of uh, in the business what problem is going on. Okay, so this is the data, item ID, user ID, ratings. I have a ratings and reviews from consumers who are using this product, and time spam stamp where this at what time this models are going through, and at what time they are generated. There are categories also. Okay, then there is brands, and there are year splits and user attributes, and user attributes means who are using this, male or female. Okay, and model attributes means that module for whom to going to use, but who are using doesn't matter. But as a product manager, as a product manufacturer, who will use it means male or female, but at the end user anyone can be. Okay, so this is a end consumer and this is a model consumer who manufacturer thought about it. Okay, so this is a whole data sheet I have, and I want to know through the help of this data sheet I want to solve and analyze this kind of problems. Okay, so to solve this, to analyze this whole data, first of all I need to install Jupyter notebook. Okay, so Jupyter notebook, that we know about Jupyter notebook. What is Jupyter notebook? So Jupyter notebook is an open source web application where you can create and share documents through the help of code, equations and visualization. Okay, you can create your whole process and you can analyze your data. Okay, through the help of your visualization, through the help of machine learning algorithm, through the help of a statistical model and so much more. Okay, So like you are using ID of PyCharm, you are using Jupyter Notebook. I will show you what is the difference between them, and why we are using Jupyter Notebook for data analysis. But when you are using going in a production, or you can say that when you will do a job or do some client work, so you need a Jupyter Notebook for standard your project, give a standard your project, and to analyze better. So that's why we are using Jupyter Notebook. So how we can install it? Let me show you. Okay, first,
Sorry, Harsh.
yes,
Quick question: is this a client? What's the difference between Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm, and why we are using Jupyter Notebook now? Is that related to data analytics tool?
yes. For Jupyter for data analysis, we are using Jupyter Notebook to analyze the data. Okay, because of interface, because it is open source, and through the help of Jupyter Notebook, it is creating IPYNB format. Okay, in this format, you are just giving this format to anyone, and this format can operate everywhere in your Java, in your Python, and it is very easy and optimize of their size. So that's why we are using Jupyter Notebook, and it is saved your whole data. You can convert whole codes and their data in PDF also. But in if you are going in PyCharm or any kind of ID, it is we can, but it is very difficult to maintain our records. To maintain our record, we are using Jupyter Notebook. The main purpose is that.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate that one. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a standard of doing in even if you are going in any kind of IT company, so they are using Jupyter Notebook, even marketing also. So let's start with Jupyter Notebook here. So for that, if you have Windows, so open your Windows, that is CMD. Okay, or you can open your Linux, that is Ubuntu, or any kind of Kalian, etc. And if you have OS iOS, so open your kernel. Okay, so in command prompt or any kernel, you need to write pip install, but in kernel I will give you a code. In that you need to write sudo, then you need to install virtual environment. That is another process of Ubuntu, so I will let you know. But in Windows, just write pip install, and write here notebook. Notebook means Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so
This is in the command prompt, right? Sorry
yeah,
to
it
interrupt.
is, yeah, in
It's
command prompt.
yeah.
In command prompt of Windows PowerShell, I already installed it in my system, so it is showing me that requirement already satisfied. Please, you don't need to worry. Okay, but if you facing any error, so you can use with if you are facing any error, so you can just use this command hyphen user to install in your path also. Okay, so that's why we are using this. Now another step, to open notebook, you need to write Python -m notebook. Okay, and after that, I will show you two things. Okay, so like this, you can open your notebook, and it's working here. Now this is your user interface, which is comes under in browser. In this browser, you need to open your file. In this file, you need to open notebook. So click here, notebook. Okay. Now notebook will ask what type of kernel you want to use, Python 3
Sorry, Harsh.
or
If
yes.
you just give me 30 seconds. Guys, you are all good? Can you go to your workstation and run these commands and make sure you follow what Harsh is showing? It's a little bit lab work because I want everybody to at least have the notebook ready.
What was the second part? It was Python dash M notebook.
Sumit, can you keep typing the commands on the chat channel, what Harsh is saying?
It's Python -m. Okay.
Can you just type in the message or just show the screen where it shows Harsh?
It's
Just go a little bit
already.
slow. Once they will
Just
reach Jupyter Notebook, they will be really good. Yeah, just go a little bit slow so
Yeah,
they
no
can
issue.
get it there. Thank you.
It's already in PPT and it's notes, so don't need to worry if you have any issues in
So
that.
the problem is then they will do after that, they forget, and then they start calling me.
Okay, okay, no issue.
I just want their problem to be solved within this class.
Okay, okay, no issue, no
Even
issue.
if they have the notebook problem, they can't do anything, right? So that's why I just wanted to make sure that they are here where you are. So give them a
Okay.
little bit time, maybe. And this is not a detailed installation, right? This is just a quick one. Guys, if you
Yes.
can do that, very good. Otherwise, we'll put up the documents, procedure in the documents as Harsh said in the PPT. We'll go there from there. But this is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Yeah, you guys know how to get into the Jupyter Notebook. You can't start data analytics work unless you be on the Jupyter Notebook. That's why I'm just putting a little bit more focus on it. So make sure you open up your machines and you follow the steps what Harsh is doing, and just reach to Smith in the message chat channel message and ask if you have any doubt. If you're good, we can carry on.
Can you share the link, like how we can download this Jupyter notebook, like in
So,
our app?
see, there's a question, Ali. You follow the instructions from Harsh. Go to your CMD in your window machine. Type CMD in the search box. Open your command prompt.
CMD command prompt. Yep.
Yeah, and then Harsh given I think you already installed Python, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you put the command pip Subhan pasted the command the message pip install notebook. Harsh, is this correct command?
Yeah.
yes,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. When you hit that, it start installing your notebook. Is that correct? In my case,
Yes.
it's correct. Thank you, Harsh. Yeah. People.
Command prompt. Do I have to open that prompt?
Of course, Ali. If you don't
Right.
open, uninstall.
Yeah.
Type CMD. Harsh, can you show them in your screen?
Okay. Yeah, 1 second. I'm giving you one more time. Okay, how we can do once again. So this is I'm closing here. Now Windows plus R gives you a command prompt. Okay.
Okay.
Press OK. Here.
Okay. Everybody's here. Amna,
Here.
you there?
Yes.
You need
Perfect.
to install your notebook. It's a
Yeah.
Jupyter notebook. Okay. So here is your Jupyter notebook. If you are if you
One
have
second.
facing a problem, so use -- user so that it will work on globally. Okay, in your machine. Then press enter.
Yeah. In my case, yes, it's installed. I'm good. But guys, Amna, Ali Heather, Mudassar, this is very simple utility in your command prompt. But only requirement is you should have.
EAP is not recognized as an internal or external command. That's what it says to me.
Yeah, so that's why I'm going to use this na -- user.
Thank you, Harsh.
Yeah, use this with that command. Okay, pip install notebook -- user if you are facing an error.
What this user do is that we go global. Okay, got it. Got it.
Yeah, it will make you globally available.
Perfect.
Okay. Now press enter.
Ali, you're good. Amna, you're good.
Yes.
Aima, you good?
Yes.
Everybody good?
Pardon,
You good?
pardon.
Back, you good?
Yes.
Perfect.
Now
You good?
write Python
I'm
m.
using.
I have one question. I already have Jupyter Notebook.
So Vasik, is it Vasik?
So open your notebook directly from here. and press enter.
I don't know, I'm not getting that. It says PIP is not recognized an internal or
Because
external.
Ali, you have installed Python or not?
Yes, I did.
Can you type Python Hyper-V version and find out what version you have? You are CMD. Which Mac? You have Mac or Windows?
Windows.
Windows, yes. Just go to CMD, type to CMD, black screen will appear, right? And just,
Yes, I can see that.
okay, you can see version 3 point something, right?
Microsoft
Can
Windows
you
version
just screen
10.0.
quickly? Can you just share the screen quickly to
Sure.
Harsh? Yeah, please.
Okay.
Harsh, just allow me 2 more minutes. I'm sorry, taking your time.
Yeah, no issue, no issue.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so pip install. 1 second. What you are issuing? Pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. See, I already told you about do your Python globally. Okay, so you already installed your Python, and after that environment variable. So set your environment variable where you installed your Python. Just open your user, come into
See? Okay.
C drive.
No, same place, same place. Go to C colon enter. CMD. Yeah, type C colon is two dot data.
No, I am asking about C drive, and you need to go in path of Python, and then
Okay.
you need to copy that scripts, and in that scripts file, you need to copy that path and paste it in your environment variable.
Okay.
So yeah, click on C drive. After C drive, program files or users. Yeah, come up to users. You will get a users here. 1 second, I am sending you a path file. So you can just copy and just customize your name, whatever
You
system name you have. 1 second.
go back one step. There's a 2 program files. Maybe you pick the other one. Yeah, go one step back. Yeah, program files, the bottom one. Yeah. Now see users. Scroll down. Nothing. So is this your company laptop?
No, this is my personal.
Okay.
Oh,
User there.
here, this is users.
Yes. Oh, this path is wrong, Harsh. You're right. It is not using the program files.
Yeah, 1 second. I am just sharing a path. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Can you write Python and write -v?
Here, PYT.
I think in the
No, on
command.
CMD. On CMD. On
CMD.
command prompt.
CMD. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I need to check a version of yours. I need to check it out that Python is working or not. It is globally working or not.
Space,
Give us
space,
space.
Ali space.
-v.
Uh,
Minus V.
Python.
Dash. Yeah.
B,
V.
B like what?
V for
Version.
version.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Press enter.
You not have Python.
Write only Python. Write only a Python there. Don't use -v. Press enter.
You never install Python. No, it go to the application and you need to unlock your applications. See here. Yeah. So then last 3 weeks, what really doing? You're not
No,
working.
but I think I did, but
How you work the code assignments, all those? You didn't work on it.
like these my Python, like
So it means
Okay, you didn't do a globally yet. No worries. Don't install your Python. Okay. When
yeah.
I just ended my class, I will install
Okay.
you.
Harsh,
Okay.
Sure.
Harsh,
Okay.
you need to have an installed Python, then only it will work. Notebook, right?
Okay. I need to
Will that
install
work
now.
without Python?
Actually, the thing is, he didn't do a globally their Python access. Okay. He need to copy that whole scripts file, then he need to paste in environment variable, then it will works in CMD. So after the class, I will set up you. Don't worry. I will
Okay.
give you a
Sure.
guidance. Yeah.
Ali,
Okay.
just talk to Harsh after the class. Thank
Okay.
you.
All
Thank
right.
you, Harsh. Yeah. No worries.
Anyone? Okay. So shall we go ahead now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wasik, you asked question. What was your problem?
I had no problem. I was just asking. I already have Jupyter Notebook. I use Anaconda package, and I
You are going so advanced, right? We haven't reached there yet.
So yeah, you can use Anaconda. I got your concern. If you already install Anaconda, that is also fine. You are going in AI, so that will work for you. Okay.
So what is Harsh Anaconda and all those? What he's talking about? No,
Anaconda.
Wasik, you're taking us to further ahead of the time. So
no. I was just asking. I just access Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda prompt shell, and just is it
ah,
fine or I'm
okay, okay, okay. I got you.
Anaconda is a set of packages of AI. Okay,
Library.
and set of tools of AI. Nothing else. So
I know.
I I just require a Jupyter notebook. So I just installed a Jupyter notebook. That's it. But in Anaconda, if you already have a advanced machine and you want to go advanced, so yes, definitely use Anaconda.
I love this class. I learned a lot of things. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys. Yeah. See, everybody think differently. Very good. Good. So, Vasik, no problem. You can go to Anaconda, then you can go from there. You can come to the Jupyter notebook. But you might be using different notebook. Yeah.
Now here, press on notebook here, click on notebook. You will get this access, new of notebook where you are going to analyze your data. Okay. In kernel, you need to access your Python 3. Kernel means what scripting you are going to use to access your data. So that is a kernel. It can be any kind of kernel. Whatever terminal they have, we known as a kernel. So this is my terminal right now where I'm writing a command. So this is also my kernel. Okay. So like this, I am just using my kernel. So here I will press select Python 3 because we are using a Python script here. So that's why we are using a Python kernel. Okay. Now for data analysis, you required certain kind of packages. So let me show you. First one is your pandas. Okay. Second one is your numpy. I will tell you one by one what is it, what is it. Don't worry. Just write it down. Numpy. As I can call anything. Okay. I can call anything. Any name. Okay. But this is my main packages where I'm going to use to access and control my data. Okay. And observe and analysis my whole data, and after that I need some conclusion so that I can take a decision. That's why we are using data analysis to take a correct decision according to the calculations. Okay. So after that I am importing matplotlib.
But these are the libraries. Every time we need to go to the notebook the cell, we need to import, or it's one time.
No, we need to import this. We need to
So,
import this. So this is a set of codes. Okay. And without this you can't access any kind of functions of that packages which is pre-installed. So first of all we'll talk about pandas and numpy. Okay.
okay.
So here I need to access my data. So what I will do, I will directly just write my data. In that data, I will say that PD, it's my pandas. Just read my CSV. It's read underscore CSV. Okay. And put it there file stream like we access on CSV on file handling system, like that only you need to access. But there is one issue, that is I can't see my folders here. Okay, so for that I am going to click on Jupyter Lab. Okay, so click on Jupyter Lab, you will get another interface. This is a classic interface of Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Lab is advanced user interface and advanced things of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, now here you can see your folders, right? After that, I already directly put it my
As
file.
everybody is following what Harsh is saying, or are we going very fast? I want everybody to make sure you guys following what Harsh is doing in your laptop.
Yeah, I think he's going a little bit too fast because I don't know what he did.
Yeah, so Harsh, go slow because this is very, very important for them. Even we reach them to the notebook and explain to them these couple of libraries, that will a lot of information and that would be good for them. But they are a little bit slow in data analytics side. They really don't know how we can get into this point. So if you can go a little bit slow, I don't want them to be lost.
Yeah, no issue.
So
Just
Moin, or anybody, where you guys lost? Why don't you raise the hand? I don't know why I have to talk every time, all the time. And if I'm not in the class, you guys just sit quietly.
you didn't ask me that be slow. I
Yeah,
will go slow, no issue.
you don't know how Harsh look like, and you don't know who you are. You are on the phone. No embarrassment, nothing. Call the question and get your things done in this weekend. Please, if you have a problem, raise your hand and ask. Sumit is there, myself is there, Harsh is there. You just keep quiet, and I think you guys are having your breakfast and nicely and sitting in a nice environment and just watching what we are doing. And then you say, "Oh, I don't understand." Don't want to hear that. So please clear your doubts with Harsh. He's spending too much time. He's going very deep. You leverage this time again and again. I'm keep telling you guys, yeah. Awaz, go ahead. Don't raise the hand. Go ahead. What's your question?
Just write out import pandas and import numpty.
Okay, one
and
second.
then enter.
One second. You reached here already, Awaz?
The question was, I should just type out import pandas and import numpty and enter.
It's
Yeah.
no,
So
don't
Awaz,
do anything.
question to you before Harsh you answer it. Awaz,
Yeah,
are you doing this in your machine or you just asking question on the top of this?
No, I'm doing it on my machine. I have it open, everything.
Okay. So you reached here, right?
What's that?
Do you reach to this stage?
Yeah.
Okay. Then hold on for a minute. People, everybody, you reached. Everybody reached here.
Yes.
Then Ali. Okay.
Yes.
Aina. So Moin, what's your problem? You said I am not following.
He said you click Jupyter Labs, and I clicked it. It brought me to a new folder, what you call, and there's no codes there basically. Do you understand?
No.
He told us to click the Jupyter Labs, the tab.
Advanced lab. Okay.
Yeah, and then,
in the advanced lab.
And then it created a new thing, but like the code I put in is not there. For his, he has it. I don't know why.
Share the screen, please.
Mine? Okay, my screen. Okay, no problem.
Subhan, you there? You okay?
Yeah, right.
Yes, I'm good. I have it. I'm on the
You
same
see
page.
it?
Then.
Make sure you all follow what Moin is doing or what Harsh is teaching you.
Yeah, he said import pandas as PD and then import numpy as MP,
Uh-huh.
and then he told us to click this one. I did, and then it popped up. Never mind.
Okay.
yeah.
So it's a false alarm. Okay, no problem. So you're there. Good. Oh yeah, here you go.
Okay.
Good job. Thank you, Harsh. Yeah. See, anybody else didn't reach to here? Anna, you reached here?
Yes, I am.
Rahman, you reached there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. I'm happy that everybody's there. So yes, Harsh, no, you can carry on with this step. Yeah.
Okay. To use this packages, if I will run this, so you can, it's running because it's give me index number 1. Okay. So if you press, you will get an error because you didn't install a pandas and numpy yet. So you need to install numpy and panda. For that, you need to open command second command prompt. So press OK here. Now you have another command prompt. Okay. In this, you need to write pip install pandas. Whatever packages I will use here, you need to install it in your another command prompt. Okay. So first command prompt is running your server. This is a server of your program, local server, where you are working your notebook. And another command prompt is you are installing your packages from another command prompt. Okay. So in this, you will write install pandas, install pandas here. I already installed it here. Okay. So it will shows me requirement already satisfied. And if you want to use a globally, so write pip install pandas hyphen hyphen user and press enter. So it will automatically comes into global environment. Okay. Another one is numpy. It's numpy. Pip install numpy. Press enter. I already installed it. Okay. Now everything is set up very nicely here. In this, now I am going to access.
Hold on, Harish. Everybody following? Install the
Yes.
map, install the pandas.
I have one question. Should I use Anaconda prompt or the
Vasik,
CMD prompt?
you listen to my question, please. You listen to my question. Have
Yes,
you
you can.
installed pandas and NumPy?
Yes, you can use your Anaconda, no issue. Anaconda
Because
in Python.
I'm asking because should I write this command in CMD prompt or in the Anaconda prompt?
See, Anaconda, if we are using, first of all, you currently in this situation, if I am giving a sessions, so don't use Anaconda. I am suggesting to you to your benefit so that it will not gives you any confusion. But if you are using Anaconda, so no issue. Like this, I am here. I am using pip. You need to install with Anaconda.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm doing it now.
Yeah, better to follow what Harsh is doing, Vasik, because every time you ask other question, so he can't answer you because he doesn't know what's going on your side. If you follow whatever the way he is showing, I think that would be better, and you will also understand another way of doing. Guys, you are there, everybody, other than Vasik?
Yes.
Good.
How do you make a universal?
Sorry.
Everything is reversible.
So you put in pip install pandas, and what was the second one that you made a
It's NumPy and pandas. See, whatever packages I will write here, you need to install on second prompt, like pip install NumPy, pip install pandas, and any other packages. Whatever I will install, I need to install in my system, right? This packages.
So
Else,
Harsh, can you explain him what this pip does? It's a utility for installation in Python. Okay. Anytime you install any package, any libraries, any modules, particularly libraries and packages, you need to install through pip. Pip is a utility in Python. That's what I know, but Harsh, you can correct me.
yeah, pip Pip means it's an assistant of Python. So basically, you are telling someone that find this and bring me this. Okay, like if you need a tea in your office, so you will say someone that give me a tea, or you will go out and tea. It will take some time because you are busy now. So like that only, Python is already busy in their program, so he needs an assistant. Or if we do a manually, so it will take time. So Pip, what will do? Pip. Pip is an assistant of Python, and through the help of pip command, Python give a command to find that package or folder. There is a, if I will say, okay, so there is a TensorFlow, let's suppose. Okay, so pip TensorFlow, I will write it here. So you will get an pypl. So it's a directory of pip. Okay, from here you will get each packages, whatever packages you required, whatever uh, objects you required. From here you can install it directly, frameworks, packages, whatever you need to install, pip will come directly here. Or you, if you have another directory, so it will go to another directory and install it.
So Harsh, what is TensorFlow?
It's an AI, deep learning.
I know, but where it comes from, NumPy and Pandas, no? Is it a
Uh,
piece of TensorFlow? Is it part of NumPy or Pandas?
no, 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 no. It is not a part of NumPy and Pandas.
Mm.
I'm just giving an example. So you can just directly,
Is it
here is,
the same thing as Google TensorFlow, or is it different?
no, that is
Question
different.
for
That is
Harsh.
different. That
You
is
see, you
different.
brought
We'll
from
talk
one,
about,
now it's confusing now. So don't bring the TensorFlow in the middle. I know it's
yeah,
a
yeah,
big,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
a
yeah,
deep.
yeah,
Mudassar
yeah.
has question. Mudassar, what's your question?
Oh, I just asked. Thank you.
Yeah, so that is another, that is
Good,
another.
good.
But coming to NumPy, so NumPy comes from here,
Yeah,
and Pandas come from here, and
that's it.
matplotlib coming from here. So there are so many of directories coming from here. So here, through the help of pip, you are just coming here, this server, pypi.org. From here you are installing your packages or frameworks to your system. That's it.
Perfect.
Okay, now shall I move ahead?
Anwar, good. Awaz, sorry, Awaz asked the question. Was you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you, Harsh. Carry on, please.
So I'm going to access my data. So what you need to
So
do,
people is not, sorry, Harsh, people are not asking question. I'm happy. Let me ask question. What is the difference between NumPy and Pandas?
yeah, so give me a second. I will just show you NumPy and Pandas. Just give me a couple of minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, then I will let you know. Okay.
Okay.
So here I am just accessing my data from here, and here I will write PD, that is Pandas. Through the help of Pandas, I am accessing my data, rows and columns. Okay. So from here I will read my CSV function, and here I will write electronics. That is my file name coming from under the documents. Okay. So what I am doing here, I am just access my, okay. So what I'm doing here, I will just access my electronics dot csv. That is my file name. Okay. And that's it. So
Can you send
basically,
us the file, Hirsch?
sorry,
Can you send us the
Yeah,
file?
you need a data. Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, we don't have
Uh,
it.
Where is the
okay.
CSV file? Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. I already sent it out. Just check it your. Okay, I am uploading.
Where did you send it?
1 second, 1 second. I'm uploading on Google. This Gmail, so you can access the drive. From drive, you can access the files. Okay.
Good question. I'm
Till then, I am just giving you some. You will follow me. You will receive within 1 to 2 minutes. Till that time, I am just moving ahead. So from here, just put it your file dot. Then you are just going to print head. Okay, I will tell you what is head and how we can use this head, or you can just directly print your data, but it gives me an error. It gives me an error because my path is not correct. Okay, 1 second. Uh, just give me a couple of seconds. I am just taking a file so that you can follow me, else you will get confused. It's uploading. It's take 1 more minute. Just okay. It's uploaded now. Please, I'm just sending you a link so that
Smith, thank you so much. You can put the steps 1 to 3, but somebody is putting really nice commands. Harsh, yeah, that command works perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah. Smith, you can just take these commands and put 1 to 3 for steps now. Thank you. Guys, since Harsh give a little bit pause, make sure you guys, your machine is up to the point where he is showing things. Don't be lazy, please. Once you get into the notebook, get to the libraries, all these functionalities, and we are good for coding. Yes, go ahead, Moin, go ahead.
Did you upload it yet? Because I'm still waiting.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm
he
uploading.
wait, he's doing it. Yeah, you uploading into the folder, right?
Yeah, I'm uploading in the folder.
Yeah. And what was the other? No, wait. I'm also doing the same thing, Harsh, learning from your student too. Harsh, when I went to the Jupyter notebook in white screen, where I go from there? Open Jupyter
Oh,
Lab.
yes.
Okay. And then I can see notebook, Python 3, IP kernel. I can pick either one. Right?
Why are we using Jupyter notebooks? So couldn't we use like Python?
Very good question. But my own, were you late or what?
No, I just like didn't want to ask.
I explained to you. I asked this question to Harsh. I stopped him and asked this question. Why we are using my notebook? Why not Python? He did
To
answer.
to maintain our data, we can't. There is some issues, and it's not a standard way to collect our data. So to maintain our whole data and convert it into PDF and give a presentation in front of any kind of organization, it is very necessary to use Jupyter Notebook. So I will show you why we are using Jupyter Notebook, and it is a very optimized size. That's why we are using it.
Yeah. Secondly, Harsh, can we do a data frame in PyCharm? I don't think so. So notebook is where we can build data frame, we can build Spark, we can build SQL, we can build any type of libraries code.
We
Notebook is
can do.
not only Python. You can do SQL, you can do data frame, Spark, PySpark, all those coding you can do on the notebook.
No, but in PyCharm also, or any kind of ID we can do it, and it will shows you in terminal and kernel whatever you have. But
Spark as well, Spark code as well.
Spark code, no. Yeah, but there is some kind of setup we can do, but there is more messed up thing. So it is better to use Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah. So Moin, Jupyter Notebook is more convenient, particularly when you work in a company. They have different technologies and coding. So and it actually gel with the latest technology like Databricks, Snowflake, any data science tools. Notebook is the best instead of going for the PyCharm or those tools are very heavy loaded tools for software development. But this notebook is to my knowledge, Harsh can correct me, is more towards the data analytics side or data science or building Python, those kind of R tools. Those kind of things are good for our is a client actually. But most of the thing, 80% thing you can do in PyCharm, you can do in notebook also. So there are a couple of things which different, but to your question, for data analytics, for data analysis part, we normally do use notebook. And there's a Jupyter Notebook is more popular, but if you just type Colab in your browser, it will take you to the Google Colab laboratory. They give you free notebook. So you can start building your code on the top of that one, but that's open source and that goes to in the world. But this is more towards embedded into your local environment, into your local, and you can connect from here to any notebooks, actually any technology like Databricks and all those things.
I can't access. I can't access or upload the data.
You can.
I am not. I am.
Just pass this. Just email to Sumit or to me or to Amna, if you don't mind. We can upload, no problem.
Yeah, I already shared with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amna, just send to Amna. You already shared?
Yeah, I already shared.
Then what you cannot upload?
I was trying to
I have
upload.
shared it to Amna and I've shared it to you. Just could you please upload? Try.
Yeah. So I think they, Harsh, sorry, they did some cleaning work in the folder level. I and Amna, I think maybe your ID is not been provision. I saw a lot of provision problem with your ID. I'll look into that one. But just send to Amna. Amna, can you just distribute to all the people in the email or put in the folder? And that's why we're bringing new system, because even this is really terribly to share things, and we stuck because of these small issues here. So next week, hopefully, you will get a new platform and new things which will be more diversified. Yeah.
Shall I move ahead now?
Guys, yeah, sure. But where the CSV? Amna, can you just upload and let people know in the chat, or you want me to do that?
Yes, I'm doing.
Perfect. Okay, go ahead, Harsh. Yeah, move on, please.
Okay, so whatever file you will receive, just paste it on. Make another folder, whatever folder you have, like this. Okay, in that keep once and make a copy, and that copy comes into documents, and that documents under the document copy that file here. Okay.
Okay, PC under documents. Okay, I'm distracting myself. Sorry.
So you did it.
No, I'm just downloading from Sumitra.
Okay. Now coming to the next part. I'm just access and I will stop it so that I will not go ahead and you can do your things with me. Okay. Now you need to write your path, that is document slash electronics and whatever file name you have. And after that, just from here you can run your code. Okay. Or whatever cell you have, this is the cells. This is cell number 1. This is cell number 2. Okay. And after that, press shift plus enter and you will get your whole thing.
Shift
Okay.
plus and enter.
Enter. Yes. Here's a
It will
command.
create a new file, right?
Okay. And you can access your whole data. And
Exactly.
that is a main purpose to use pandas. Okay. Whatever we are accessing our files and playing our rows and columns, we will handle through the help of pandas. Pandas helps to control your rows and columns in your CSV file, and NumPy helps to give you arrays in a manners, because through the help of arrays we are arranging our data. Array means whatever indexing number you are facing, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, like that. So I will show you, but before that we need to understand pandas, and we will go slowly because in NumPy you need to understand one dimensional, then two dimensional, then three dimensional. So this three concepts of NumPy takes time to understand, but when you understood, you can handle any kind of data through the help of NumPy and pandas. Pandas gives you an control and access in files, and NumPy helps to manipulate their indexing numbers of that files. So, and creating a space and everything through the help of NumPy. That's why pandas and NumPy work with each other. Okay. So this is a brief answer of NumPy and pandas. I show you a little bit of concept, but in future we'll see more about NumPy. But first of all, we'll see about pandas. Okay. So here you can see that we are we are accessing our data of rows and columns. Okay, but for in a manageable way we need to access our data dot head, and I'm commenting this print, and so here I will access a top 5, okay, or 20 indexing numbers of data. Okay, if you want to access more, so you need to do a to string, and I will show you about tail also. But uh you access our files, you received our files. Hello.
We're good. We're good.
Okay.
Everybody has the access to the file. Can they see in the machines?
No,
I don't have yet. Amna, where you sent out?
It's in the Google Drive.
Yes, I see the file.
I uploaded in the Google Drive with the
oh, yeah,
folder
I just got
CSV
it.
file.
I just got it.
Okay, perfect. Everybody have the access, right?
Now I will show you head and tail. Okay, then I guess everyone's settled by tomorrow. Then I will ask about doubts and everything. We'll clear about doubts and everything, and we'll do a setup on the session in the sessions only. Okay, today is that's a main thing. Then tomorrow we'll do a complete project. Okay, so but let's understand the difference between head and tail. Okay, so this is my data indexing number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and from here I am just keep my eyes on this date, that is 6 13 1999. Okay, just keep eyes here. I will access this thing here, 6 999 13, and this is a female. Okay, this is my data. This is comes from my indexing number 0. But I will, what if I will call tail? So what I will get a result here. So data dot tail. It will gives you from the bottom. See, it's 2018 10 and if I check it out with my data, so it will shows me from here. More upon data. Okay, 1 second. Sort it out with filters. Okay. 1 second. Now it's filter now. Just check it out with 2018. So it's messed up in between. So we need to clean this data. So we'll understand. But it's coming from bottom. Okay. I will clean this data. I will show you how we can mining our data. But it is coming from bottom. Okay. So this data coming from bottom, and this is a huge data, so that's why it's not showing. So I need to arrange whole thing, then it will show my arrange data. Okay, we need to put some commands, we need to do by manually, we need to fill out some blanks. So we'll check it out data cleaning by tomorrow, but you can access today from you can access a data from today, and that's it. So tail and head, and you need to access through the help of read csv. You need to install these two packages. If you did this, please let me know.
Guys, thank you so much, Harsh. That's really very informative session. And now everybody knows how to pull the CSV and how we can further elaborate further how we do analyze particularly one CSV. So I think this is more than enough. Thank you for putting up this sample data, Harsh. If everybody's reached where Harsh is, I think we good. Yeah.
One more command I want to tell, so that you can understand one more. That is data.info. It is very important for you. So this three command you need to know about starting. So this is your first of data analysis thing. So here how many columns and rows and how many data types is there. Okay, and another one is you can say that if you versions and everything will look check out by tomorrow, but till here you need to understand the setup. Now if you have any issues in setup, and if you have any questions according to your side, please let me know, and let's solve your problems. Okay.
I can't pull out the data.
Okay, so you received the data.
Yes, I downloaded it. When I put in data equals PD, it's giving me an error. It says name error cell 3 data PD.
Okay,
Can you
please.
share the screen quickly?
Yeah,
Share the
share
screen
your
quickly.
screen. I'm stopping my screen. You can share me out, and I will give you a line by line solutions.
I think Harsh, we can go now all these issues. I think we are very good just to sort out these problems. If people can reach where you are, that's I think more than enough.
Yeah. Okay, so open your folder, that box folder icon. No. In
This one, right?
Jupyter Notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, uh in your left hand side, come up to Jupyter Lab. That's why we are there in Jupyter Lab. Yeah, click
This
there.
one? Okay.
Yeah. Now you already wrote your import numpy as an NP, right? So come that point, import numpy as NP.
Uh-huh.
Then come go right there. There's a folder icon. There's a folder icon.
On the right hand side.
On the right hand side, there's a folder icon. There's a save. There's a save icon. Go to the folder
Okay.
icon.
Here.
Is it here?
Last of right. Last of right. Last of right. Come up to last of right. This is the left. Come up to opposite side.
Just
All
go
right.
to
Go go more opposite side. Go right of.
I'm sorry,
if
you
you see
cutting
there is
off.
a
So
circle. Yeah,
The folder button,
yeah,
folder
that
say
button,
it.
folder button.
one. You yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
So make hold on. One by one,
yeah. So
please.
there's
Yeah.
a documents. So there's a documents. Put come up to documents. Click that documents here. Yeah, click it. Double click. Okay. Now put your data here. Documents or make your own folder.
Just drag it.
Yeah, you can drag it also. No issue.
Okay.
Yep. Upload. It's your local file only. Okay. Now, when you're writing pd.read underscore csv under this string, give a path documents slash electronics.csv. Read underscore csv. There's a string, right? So
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yeah.
file name. So write your path documents slash because you make a directory of documents. So write the documents documents
That was
slash
over here, right?
yeah docu.
You.
That's folder name. Write your folder name. ments
So do a dash
ments.
like this.
So Harsh, go to your screen.
Yep.
Go
Yeah.
to your screen
Can
and
you just
just
show me?
explain that. Yeah. Because Akmal, hold on and just let Harsh explain to you. Just go to your screen and just slow down and just explain to him. Yeah.
See,
You
this
follow
is
what he's. Yeah. Akmal, you follow what Harsh is doing. Okay. Slowly. Yeah.
so these are documents. Okay.
Can you
Under
just
this doc,
can you just put this command in the chat? Yeah, this path. But
uh,
this path will be your own path, right?
this is something like customized. They
Ah,
I
can
know.
okay.
make their own folder.
Yeah, I know.
So
They
yeah,
have to put their own path. Yeah, I agree.
yeah. So documents slash electronics.csv. That's it. You can check out my recordings also again and again. Okay. It is not a difficult, but first when you going to access. So yes, this is to understand. First time it is something like need some time. After that it will in your hand only. Okay. So
Harsh,
yep.
what is data space pd.read.csv? Put that command in the chat. And this one you need to type in a new cell, guys. And when you put document and for the CSV, that's your path.
What if it's in the same folder, in the same path?
Yeah, no. You have is the same folder in document. Yes, document, and then put the electronics.csv inside. Exactly same the way he just putting the syntax.
Now it's working. And put their data dot head.
But if you look at the left hand side, right, it shows you the path document slash the electronics. So we are attaching the file here in the right hand side.
No, we are not attaching. We are calling that path that this is my
CSV.
file name. Yeah, this is my CSV. Open this.
Okay. The bottom part is where we can see the context of the file. Yeah, content of the
Yeah,
file. Yeah.
yeah. So this is your directory, and after directory, you are calling your file.
Exactly. So it's very easy, Akmal.
I have a question.
Yep.
In the code data dot head 20. Here we say that print the 20 rows. Print the 20 rows. How can we print random rows like 1 to 6 and skip 7 and then 8 to 12? How can we print random rows?
Yeah. Wait for this. That's the slices. That covers under slices. But you know about slices. You can easily access it through the help of print data. And 1 second. Is your print data and whatever you want to call, you can call it out. But this will check it out by tomorrow. So wait for it, else you will getting messing up. So just wait. I will tomorrow I will cover it everything. Okay. So till tomorrow, just wait.
Okay.
Wait. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So Hirsch, how do we save this Jupyter notebook file and how do we access it from our computer?
Save notebook as, write it, save file as. Okay. And just like electronics analysis, save.
The extension is IPNB, right?
Yes.
Notebook. NB is the notebook. IP is the Python.
Yes. So here you can just download. Uh, just take a time. Right. Okay. Now save or download it. So here, give some time, just a gap of 1 minute because there is a server running here. Okay, so their kernel loading here. So just give a time after save, and now you can download it in your locals, or you can. It is better to download somewhere, and you can receive your downloads from here. So come up here, downloads, and you can make your own folder. And this is my 14-second, which electronics.ipnb. Okay, and it's under your downloads. Okay, got it.
Yes, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Perfect.
Okay,
Moeen, you there?
now you
Yeah,
can
I'm here.
Yeah.
virtual
So
environment.
agenda. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Harsh, you want to do something else, or just open for the questions?
No, no, no. I am open for every questions you can ask anything. That's why I'm hold on.
Yeah. No, guys, you can ask any question, even previous assignment or assignment you've cleared out. I want everybody's last 10 minutes to leverage. If you have any doubt, to Harsh. Of course, you can reach back to me, no problem. But I don't want to fix these problems. My notebook is not working. My that is not working.
Yes.
All these things you can sort it out here. When you come to me face to face, make sure you talk about something code or something really good. These legislative problems you should be sorting out in this class.
Miyunjay, please you can ask.
For the last class, you told us we should make like have a mean and import a file and have a mean, but you never like provide us the file to do it, or should we have created ourselves?
What files you are talking about? You are talking about data cleaning or creating a data?
Yeah, creating a data and whatever, like basically the last assignment about importing the data. Because what do you call? I remember Ishad was talking about like how there were students and we should find like their average grade and stuff.
Okay, you are talking about mean, median, mode, and after that, you are talking about cleaning a data. Okay, so see, this is what I just set up a data. It's a raw data.
Harsh,
Huh?
Sorry to interrupt. He's asking the last assignment which you gave, step-by-step assignment, where
Hmm?
where it was required to create an average. If you remember, you have given the step-by-step assignment, which is there in group chat as well. I think he's asking about that. You know.
Okay, 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 got it, got it.
No, I'm asking whether you provided the file or should we have created the file?
No, I provided the file, and you will get always a file. You need to just clean that file, and you are talking about that data only, right? Data file, CSV file, right?
Yes. Where
Yeah.
did you upload it? Because I was looking for it.
Yeah, so if you required a sample data, so you can download it from Kaggle. Okay. First. Second, if you are working anywhere, so
Sorry to
they will give
interrupt,
you a data.
Harsh.
Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. If you'll see the step-by-step details, right? If you'll see the first step itself told create a text file with students, each with multiple score using write mode. So you have to create a file for that particular assignment. Okay. And then read the file, and then you need to find the average score. Okay.
So,
So you need to
so he
create the
doesn't
file
provide the
by
data, so
yourself.
we provide the data. So the data
So
points does not
data
come
is
from
just
him. So
simple
just
data.
we just make it up.
Any, yeah.
So we just make it up out of like Genai, basically.
Actually, we
Did you understand the
created that
question?
file in the last class itself.
But you guys never shared it with anyone. That's the thing.
Okay, I will share you. I will share you this time. You can check it out that. Okay. Today I
So
will check.
what if I created my own like data for student marks and then calculated average?
Okay. Okay, I'm showing you. Just give me a second. Can you write that question again, because one second.
Harsh, it's there in the group chat. It's there in the group chat. That step by step, 1, 2, 3. I pasted it. Create a text file with student, each with multiple scores using write mode. Read the file data. It was discussed in the last class. Read the file data and
Okay.
find the average score.
Muin, Hirsch doesn't have to send you the file. You can just create the file by yourself, like how we did in class. We use the write mode to create a new file. So
Okay,
that's
okay.
what it is.
Understood.
Yeah, I'm
Understood.
just giving. One second. One second. I'm giving you a code. Already. Okay.
Got it.
All right. Harsh, do we have any assignment for today, or you will give any assignment tomorrow? Not today, right?
No, I will give it tomorrow, because today they can just check it out with their setup, and that setup will take their time. And whatever they have a setup issue, they will get to know by tomorrow. And today, if you have, I am ready to give you time, so no worry.
Perfect, perfect. So may I request one thing, if you don't mind? Tomorrow, when you finish it off, 10 minutes before you close the call, can you explain them the assignment, whatever the assignment you will be giving? Let them give every Sunday assignment only, not Saturday. Sorry if I'm talking loud. Sunday, you can give them last 10 minutes and explain to them what is this assignment will be about and how they gonna, let everybody to ask question if they want to make sure they are clear what we are giving them assignment.
Yeah,
They
no
only.
issue.
Thank you.
I'll give them explanation. No issue. I send you a whole code, so you can just check it out in your PyCharm. Yes, Imran, please ask.
This is not related to
First, hold on. We have two more. Anybody have a question for Harsh?
Huh.
I was just saying if we
Yes,
could
start
do
telling me.
reviews, like you said, Mohammed. I like that. Like the last 10 minutes of the class to go over the assignments and just show how to do it like that.
Thank you, Beck. Yeah, absolutely. Harsh will do that. Since no assignment today, so he will be doing tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And about Imran, you could go.
Can we make the switch to like the server right now for Discord?
Did you test it out?
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
everything tested.
Imran, a lot of echo. When you open up, there's a lot of echo.
I'm sorry. We have our entire server set up. Everything is already tested. We're just waiting
Yeah,
for people
yeah.
to join.
We stayed up till 4 a.m. doing it. Me and
Wow.
Imran.
Yeah. Then go ahead. I need Smith and the whole team. Even Harsh, you can also stay if you don't mind. It will take 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, like everybody, you just have to make an account on Discord, and then you just join on the link that I sent. If you scroll up in the chat, and then we'll just manage it from there. You don't have to do anything after
So
that.
who will walk us through this step by step? What to do, what not to do? Is
Oh, we
Genai-
could, yeah, we could do this once you all create your Discord, and then we could have like the meeting on Discord, and Imran or me could share our screen and show how to use it.
Okay.
The
team,
question of how
a
who's
lot
going
of
to show everyone how to download Discord and set it up.
Imran, back. Can you put the screen? Yeah. So team, all students, we are trying to roll over to another platform, which will get us more collaborative way of talking, particularly on this class, online class. We realize that Google is a lot of things are isolated. Like we have to chat, we have to, share things. Is really tedious. Right? So we are exploring another platform, and that platform will be very private to our team only, our group of people, including staff and students. So we are taking this approach to put up something new. The only thing is you guys has to install an application, I guess. Back and Imran will walk you through. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. It will really help us to consolidate and to collaborate things much faster and easier. We don't have to reach each other and sharing file and struggle around. So all these things will be sorted out by using this platform. So let Back and Imran walk you through, and just go Imran and Back slowly, and make sure everybody install and everybody is on the top of that platform. Just explain to them very slowly. Okay.
Beck, if you don't mind, can you share your screen and show them how to download through the browser?
Yeah, let me just switch over to my computer real quick. Just 1 second.
Aima and Amna, sorry I didn't get you on the same page. I was busy. Yesterday they showed me proof of concept. Okay, sorry Smith as well. I think this I like it, but let's see how it works. You can ask questions and see if anything you don't like it, we can roll back. Yeah.
Yo, Imran, Beck, can you guys share the link for the Discord?
No, they are doing it. Let them do that, doing step by step. Yeah.
The link is if you already have a Discord account, the link is on the chat.
Imran.
Mm-hmm.
Just go. People don't know what we're talking. Go step by step. Don't answer the question. Don't answer my question. Just walk us through the step 1 to Z, whatever steps take us there. That's all. Don't answer questions. Once you finish it off, then we can ask you a question.
Of course.
To us, is a black box. We don't know anything about this one. So make sure that you're explaining everything. Links. Don't say chat link, this link. Explain to us and put in the chat channel anything we need to install it. Yeah.
Okay. Should I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, entire screen. This is the invite link. Let me just send that again.
I haven't seen your screen yet, but I can see now. Yeah, it's coming up.
Yeah, this is the link. So all you have to do is you have to go to.
1 second. This link is. Can you share it in the chat? This chat.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
Everybody, can you
And
go to this link?
let me actually share it in the WhatsApp also, just in case if people missed it.
Exactly.
But basically, what you do is you go on Discord right here, just discord.com. You could download it for Mac or you could download it for Windows. I'm on Mac, so it's showing Mac. You open it in your browser, whatever. You make your account. It's very simple.
1 second back, it asked me invite invalid. This invite may be expired or you might not have permission to join. Continue to Discord. Should I go ahead with that?
This is invalid. It's not working.
The link you sent.
You gotta
just
create a permanent invite. I can do that if you want, because I'm already in the Discord.
No, hold
Yeah.
on, Subhan. Why you come in the picture?
No. Then just do that on me. Because I think I removed
Can you
it.
start with showing them how to download the Discord, and then we'll send them the link after?
Imran and on the same
Yeah.
computer. Yeah, the problem is you when you open up the mute, when you start talking, we have a lot of echo. Just talk one by one, please. Back, go ahead.
Okay, so all you do is just go on the Discord page. You could open it in your browser, or you could download it on your computer.
Right.
Sign up.
It's asking verify by email.
Process. And go back to the chat.
Back to link.
This link, and then you're gonna be in
Can't hear
it.
you.
I'm sorry.
Can't hear you. We're breaking up.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. The internet here is not really good. I'm outside right now. That's why.
No, it's better. No, it's better. Thanks.
Yeah.
So this is application on iPhone or it's a browser. What do you want us to do?
It's like an application on anything. You could be on your computer, on your tablet, on your laptop, your
First
phone,
you want us
whatever.
to put, can you tell us the application we can install on iPhones?
Yeah, you could just search it up on the App Store. So you just search up Discord on the App Store.
So
Or if you have like
works
Samsung,
like
it's the
WhatsApp,
same
right?
thing.
We can go web or
Yeah.
we can go iPhone,
Yeah.
right? So let's go on the
Yeah,
web. Let's not talk about the iPhone then. Yeah. If we gonna install on our laptops, what is the first step? Can you
Okay,
walk us
you go on-
slowly, please?
Yeah,
You're
you
going
go on
so
Discord
fast.
right here.
Go there, do this. No, that will not work. Go
Okay.
slowly and explain to the team. This is the first step. What is the first
Okay.
step?
First step,
Okay.
you go to discord.com. Type in discord.com. Second
First
step
step.
at the top.
Guys, can you go there?
You see down.
Guys, can you go there? There's a download. Breaking you up again.
Once you just press it, it should pop up again. Just give it some time because it's loading. Okay, now it's downloading.
So Aima is asking question, do we need to go to the web console on browser or we need to install in the Mac?
I was just commenting that we don't have to
Aima,
download.
can you hold on, please? Don't comment. Let them explain, please. They're not in the explanation yet. So I don't know why people
No.
bring their own ideas.
She's right. I mean,
See,
you don't
you don't
necessarily
have
have
to
to
download. No,
download.
she's telling us we don't have to download. You're telling us to download.
Notifications.
So that's why.
Right here.
Beth, can you fix your audio? Okay, let Imran talk.
I'll
I don't hear
speak
you.
on his behalf. I'll speak on his behalf. The purpose of us downloading it is just it's faster, it's better when you download it. It could be used on the browser, but I wouldn't recommend it personally since you're gonna miss out on a lot of notifications. Let's say one day you're gonna have an issue with your browser.
Good, we listen to you. So we need to download, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go guys and download it. Download for Windows, right? Okay, I'm downloading it. I download it. I run the exe file. Okay, everybody do the same thing. If you open on the browser, tomorrow you will lose and then you will be struggle, as Imran said. So download this exe file, install it in your laptop. Well, that's the first step. Everybody go ahead and do that, please. Aima, you do the same thing, please. Can somebody stop the recording? The install is failed. I don't know why.